out with him.
La la la.
'Cause if my eyes don't deceive me, there's something going wrong around here. Bump. Alright, take two. Bump, bottom, 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 bump, bump, bottom, 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 bump, bump, bump. Pretty women are walking with gorillas down my street.
Bottom, 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 bum, bum,
Take
bottom.
three. Pretty women are walking with gorillas down my street. From a window I'm staring while my coffee grows cold. Look over there, where? There is a lady that I used to know. She's married now or engaged or something, so I'm told. Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO!
BOOZHOO!
The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am BOOZHOO. Oh, right over here is the lovely and the talented Natasha. How you doing, BOOZHOO, sweetie?
BOOZHOO got Kina. Hello, everyone.
And today, I don't know. What do you think, sweetie? What should the Ojibwe word of the day be?
Oh, I don't know. We got a letter the other day.
Oh, really?
Yeah, on the Facebook.
Oh, all right.
We could do like a viewer mail thing.
Should we answer some viewer mail? I don't know. I got the audio up here right now. I can't really get on the internet. Jeez, what should I do? Maybe I'll say a little prayer. Anami'E prayer. So this is the Serenity Prayer. Let's do this again.
Oh, okay.
This is the Serenity Prayer, and I like the. This is the Alcoholics Prayer. This is a little prayer for everyone who's trying to stay on the red road. They say it's like the it's like in Star Wars.
What is?
The red road. It's like being a Jedi for not the dark side, but the light side. All right, the Serenity Prayer in Ojibwe. Getchi Manadu, Great Spirit. Getchi Manadu, Daga Widuka Wishin. Wewe Niji, Jinana Guda Wendaman, Geodopanaman, Inu Gagashki Ketosawan. Ji Anji Sadoyan, Jide Apichide Ayan, Gegashki Katoyan, Jide Apichid Nebwakayan, Ji Kekain Daman Ono. Oh, Migwach Kichi Manadu, Migwach Bizandawiyag.
Oh,
So, what I said there was, Great Spirit, grant me the serenity to accept the things that I cannot change, the courage to change the things that I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. And, that's pretty much a powerful Anami'E. That's a powerful prayer to stay on the red road, to stay sober. So hey, everybody who's out there fighting the good fight, I just want to say you can do it.
mm-hmm.
A lot of people have quit drinking and that, and everyone says the same thing. It was the best thing I ever did.
Yeah.
All right. So I don't know. What do you think, sweetie?
That's pretty good.
All right. Should I just call it a show?
Yeah, why don't you?
All right. Well, hey, I just want to say, Miigwech Bizandawiyag, thank you for listening. And thank you for watching. BOOZHOO!
Not a BOOZHOO.
The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. And I will see you again.
Gigawabamin.
Minowa.
Minowa.
Hoa.
Hoa.
Oh, it's a really pretty day.
Crashing down, crashing down, crashing down, crashing down, crashing ashes, ashes, crashing ball fall. Crashing ashes, ashes, crashing all fall. Crashing ashes, ashes, crashing all fall. Crashing ashes, ashes, crashing all fall. Crashing down, crashing down, crashing down, crashing down, crashing ashes, ashes, crashing all fall. 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 Crashing down, 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 crashing down.